Would you like to learn how to make some super delicious sweet potato pie? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you will need, but the exact ingredient list, the measurements and such will be in the description box below. These are the 2 deep dish pie crusts that I'll be using, and the measurements provided in the description box below will be adequate measurements to make 2 pies. Let's start by preheating your oven to 375 and pricking holes all over the sweet potatoes to allow the steam to escape from them while they're cooking. It's best to bake the sweet potatoes, not boil them, because when you boil them, the sweet potatoes will be watery, and we don't want that. I'm gonna bake my sweet potatoes in my air fryer oven because I use that thing for everything. But if you're using a regular oven, you would bake them at 375 for 45 minutes to an hour. Let's melt 1 stick of butter. Then we're going to peel the sweet potatoes by slicing it down the center and peeling it just like so. The dark brown color that you see on the sweet potatoes is the sugar that caramelized during the cooking process. No, it's not burnt. Shut your face. It actually makes the sweet potatoes more flavorful. Now I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend up the sweet potatoes. A hand mixer or food processor would also work. Just keep blending until the sweet potatoes are nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add some white sugar, some brown sugar, and some vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract is best, but imitation will do. Now we're going to add in the butter that we melted earlier. And a squeeze of fresh lemon is a must. It just brightens up all the flavors so nicely. This Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust is the bomb.com, but if you don't have it, just use regular cinnamon. Next, add some nutmeg. Not too much, a little goes a long way. And then add some allspice, as well as a pinch of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Evaporated milk goes in next. And now we have to add some heavy whipping cream. And then I'm gonna go in with a little ginger paste. The eggs go in next. And if you're feeling spicy, add you a little bit of spiced rum in there. It makes it taste so good. Also add a little flour to bind everything up. And then I'm gonna break out my immersion blender again and get everything all nice and well combined. Just like so. Once everything is all mixed up, then you wanna give it a taste. Make sure that it tastes good to your liking. I had to add the rest of that white sugar to mine, as well as some more Cinnadust and lemon. I know it has eggs in it, but you can still give it a taste. You will survive, I promise. So proceed to fill up the pie crust and then try to flatten it out a little by doing this like this. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna bake them for 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And once done, it'll look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
You already know this sweet potato pie was off the chain. So creamy, flavorful, sweet, and delicious. This is definitely one of my faves. But let's fight in the comments. Are you a sweet potato pie person or a pumpkin pie person? Let me know down below. Me personally, I cannot do pumpkin at all. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help you, your palate. Happy holidays. God bless you. Bye.
If you like it, subscribe.